Hi guys, my name is Nemo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now this is just a little teaser. My friend's daughter actually made this little video right here. And on the 31st of August this year, we had our Kenyan Dutch wedding party at our own garden here in the Netherlands. So together with my wonderful friends, we made the decor, so we decorated the whole place, and in this little part of the video I am going to show you exactly how I made my backdrop. And I used hula hoops, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made that backdrop right here. It is coming, just watch. Yes, that backdrop just right there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, guys, and stay tuned. This is just part 1, so part 2 is also coming. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm starting this video a bit later. Yes, our party is at the garden, and I bought this backdrop from actually a friend of mine, Carol. She ordered this backdrop from AliExpress, but with the idea that I'm using, like the idea of my wedding is not really going very well with that backdrop. So I was thinking, I bought this from Action. So it's like what is it? I will tell you right now. So this is actually the idea. You can wrap it around anything, like just to create that beautiful look with the roses. So I have in this color and I have also in white. But I think that my party is going to be mostly with white, so mostly the color is going to white, the shouting color is going to be white. So I thought, okay, now let's see. And then, so from wedding company .nl, I also ordered, they just arrived yesterday. So I ordered these slingers, decorative vines, and you can use them, like you can hang them wherever. If you want to hang them over your chairs, over your tables, or just hang them up like this, like the way they're appearing. So they come like 5 pieces of 2 meters. So I have 5 pieces. Now this is just an idea of what I was thinking to do, because I want to have a backdrop, a place where people can go, make some pictures, make some selfies, you know, something that looks really nice. And I bought a hula hoop. Actually, it's a toy from a toy shop, because I was thinking I want to work out my belly. And I bought this hula hoop there. And I thought, okay, now maybe I can, from a hula hoop, from maybe several, I can make a really cute backdrop that looks just really natural, you know. So right here I am holding it with tape just for the moment, just for the idea, because I only have one hula hoop, and if this works, I'm gonna go get some more. And I think in much smaller sizes, so that I can make I don't know, I think this size and 2 more of this size and 2 more of small ones. So like it's like an Audi ring. I really like Audi. And let's see, I need to attach this one here because I don't want it to fall off. So oopsie. So this is like how it looks right now, and I think it looks really good. Yeah, I think I also need to attach this, otherwise it doesn't look really, it's going to be falling off and it will not give you guys the right idea. idea. And then I'm gonna grab this rose. Oh, one just fell off. Why? Where did it come from? Because I think I can attach it again. Was it here? Is it broken? Oh, I don't know. I will find out later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the same thing as I have done with the green vine. I'm just gonna put it round like this. Where's my sellotape? Oh, why you keep falling, you? Let's see. And now I cannot find the here, right? Here. So let's see. I'm gonna just do the same thing. I mean, this is not permanent. This is just an idea. And then I'm gonna roll this around like this. Or like this. Look, guys, look how it's starting to look. It turns out really good. I think this is a good idea. So, like this. And then grab some tape. Look. And there you have a backdrop. It looks really beautiful. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find white hula hoops, and if I cannot find that, then I will wrap this around with white cloth, maybe lace, I don't know, but just a white piece of cloth to wrap it around that it's all white, and then put not the whole 5 of this, maybe a few, maybe 2. Because I told you I have 5 times 2 meters, so I will just use 2, and the rest, yeah, spread it over the rest of the rings. I think I will do 4 or 5 rings of the same. And look, guys, doesn't that look beautiful? So this is an idea also for you. If you want to do it, you can do it. I mean, yeah, why not? I love it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And stay tuned for part 2.